Hi, this is Matthew Cowie with Prince & Associates Realtors, and welcome to my newest listing here on 429 South Imperial Avenue here in Brawley. This home is super cute. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath Craftsman home on a big lot, and I can't wait to bring you inside and show you around. Thank you so much for touring this home with me. It's going to be listed for $194,900. If you're in the market and would like a tour, please give me a call, 760-604-3166.